Will an asteroid hit Earth in 2024? In 2024, at least 2 asteroids have a potential chance of colliding with the Earth, 2007 feet 3 inches October and 2022 Y01 in December. However, according to astronomers, neither of them poses any real threat to us. Thankfully, while these giant space rocks are devastating, they are exceptionally rare. In between those extremes lies the sweet spot of danger, large asteroids that could wipe out a city or wreak havoc on a civilization. It would be, by far, the greatest catastrophe to ever happen to us. How likely will an asteroid hit Earth? How often do we expect the Earth to be hit? The asteroids capable of causing a global disaster if they hit the Earth are extremely rare. They probably would need to be about 1 kilometer or more in diameter. Such bodies impact the Earth only once every 100,000 years on average. Can a 1-kilometer asteroid destroy Earth? The Global Challenges Foundation estimates that asteroids more than 0.62 miles, 1 kilometer, wide are capable of inflicting the kind of global-scale damage that could not only disrupt human civilization but also, potentially, wipe out our species altogether. At what distance are asteroids a danger to Earth? Scientists continuously monitor Earth-crossing asteroids, whose paths intersect Earth's orbit, and near-Earth asteroids that approach Earth's orbital distance to within about 28 million miles, 45 million kilometers, and may pose an impact danger. Should I be worried about asteroids? Unless we can figure out a way to stop it, someday our planet will be hit by an asteroid big enough to cause local or regional destruction, or even worldwide climate change from the dust and gases an asteroid impact can kick up. It's not a matter of if, but only a matter of when. How big is the 2027 asteroid? The asteroid named 2023 SP1 will be zipping along at about 11.79 kilometers per hour and measures roughly 244 meters across, or roughly the size of a US football stadium, according to NASA. According to a web page on NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, JPL, the asteroid will next fly by Earth on October 7, 2027. How many asteroids hit Earth every day? Every year, the Earth is hit by about 6,100 meteors large enough to reach the ground, or about 17 every day, research has revealed. The vast majority fall unnoticed, in uninhabited areas. But several times a year, a few land in places that catch more attention. Why are asteroids bad? With an asteroid hitting the Earth, dust and smoke rising in the atmosphere prevents sunlight from reaching our world and causes the total temperature to drop. This event can lead to the death of many living things. If an asteroid the size of an apartment hits Earth, this blow could possibly destroy a small city. What asteroid is worth $700 quintillion? Asteroid 16 Psyche. The asteroid 16 Psyche has an estimated value up to $700 quintillion. We've known that Psyche has existed for centuries, but only recently realized how valuable it might be, both in economic and scientific terms. How safe is the Earth? The planet's climate, biodiversity, land, freshwater, nutrient pollution and novel chemicals are all out of place, according to a new scientific paper. What will happen to Earth in 2024? That team predicts a 58% chance that this year will be warmer than last year, and that 2024 will almost certainly be the hottest or second hottest year on record. Will an asteroid hit Earth in 2026? Although the asteroid is expected to return to Earth's orbit in 2026, scientists have determined that it poses no threat to our planet during that time. What meteor is worth 10,000 quadrillion? NASA's Psyche mission is preparing to depart for the asteroid Psyche, which is believed to contain metals worth $10,000 quadrillion. The spacecraft will spend 26 months orbiting the asteroid, collecting data to help scientists understand